This is the OPPO Find N3 Flip, and it sets a new standard for foldable smartphone innovations. It features a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED inner screen with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 processor, has 12 gigs of RAM plus RAM expansion, and 512 gigs of UFS 4.0 internal storage. OPPO Find N3 Flip features the innovative flexion hinge, which allows it to fold flush or without any awkward gap. It comes with 2 Vineland Reliable Folding certification, which means that the OPPO Find N3 Flip can withstand 600,000 folds, ensuring long-lasting durability. The OPPO Find N3 Flip is also the first ever flip phone to have a triple camera system that's co-created with Hasselblad. It has a 50-megapixel main cam, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and a 32-megapixel portrait telephoto camera. The 3.26-inch vertical cover screen makes taking selfies and recording vlogs easier, and it now supports a wider range of third-party apps. The 4,300 mAh battery supports 44-watt Super VOOC fast charging. OPPO Find N3 Flip has just been officially launched here in the Philippines, and its official price is 64,999.